Welcome back. A jury here in Georgia has ordered the parent company of Monsanto to pay $1.2 billion in a lawsuit related to the weed killer Roundup. Tens of thousands of cases accuse the product's active ingredient of causing cancer. But the company says it is safe and they plan to appeal that ruling. Meantime, some Georgia lawmakers recently handed down a win to some pesticide companies.
A bill is set to be signed into law that would make suing them more difficult. Our Chase Howell explains the concerns surrounding your health.
You're always taught to read the labels, but in this case, it might not help you. A piece of legislation that could be signed into law at any minute will prohibit people from suing pesticide companies for not warning people about potential health effects.
If there is an issue with the labeling process, EPA should address the labeling process. You shouldn't hold a farmer or a manufacturer liable for that.
So what does Roundup warn against? Well, according to the bottle's label in the precautionary statement section, it's a hazard to humans and domestic animals, and you should keep it away from children and out of your eyes. And mind you, this label was approved by the Environmental Protection Agency, which is standard for any pesticide.
The label is the law.
Senator Sam Watson sponsored the bill. He says if products like Roundup leave the U.S. market, it could cause problems for farmers and disrupt how we get our food.
Where's the farmer going to purchase that product from? Well, maybe the Chinese. Do we want to be dependent upon the Chinese? Do we just want to import our food altogether where we don't know who grew it? We don't know what it's been sprayed with. We have no recourse if you do get cancer from something. Who are you going to go after? Are you going to go sue the Chinese manufacturer?
If signed, the law will take effect in January 2026. At the Capitol, Chase Howell, 11 Alive News.
Now, 11 Alive did reach out to Governor Brian Kemp's office to see if he plans on signing the bill, but so far we haven't heard back.